So I'm sure this point is not going to be a surprise, but now that you've mastered the art of ChatGPT and you understand how to use it, and you don't want to go down the path of generating revenue on your own, having to market your own product, you can actually be applying for jobs with these skills. Now, of course, make sure that you have the background skill and understand how to do the thing that you're applying for in the first place. But now you can be using ChatGPT in your work, in your day job, and making your life a lot easier. Being able to level up your game, being able to speed up the rate at which you're generating content, producing great things for the work that you're doing on a day-to-day basis, there's a good chance that you'll be speeding up your process to promotions and getting bonuses and doing a whole bunch of other things. Obviously, if you want to be working with ChatGPT and monetizing your ChatGPT skills, there's a good chance that the work that you will be applying for or the work that you will be doing is going to fall under the categories of content generation, app development, web development, coding, things that ChatGPT is capable of doing. Now, if I'm a graphic designer, I can use it for content, but I can't ask ChatGPT to design a new logo for me. I can ask it for inspiration, some ideas, but at the end of the day, you do want to make sure that the capabilities of ChatGPT align with the work that you're doing or the work that you plan on doing. So make sure that you keep that in mind and hone in on those skills. Really focus on how you can leverage prompt engineering to get better responses. And that's when you'll be at the top of the ChatGPT game.